Welcome to Talk of the Town, everyone. I'm Robyn Zimmerman. Our guest today is Erin Gagne, and Erin is with Revive Wellness. She has been a guest on several of our shows in the past, and it's really great to have her with us again. Hi, Erin. How are you today?
Hi, I'm good. Thank you so much for having me back. I'm
Yeah,
excited to be here.
that's wonderful. Let's first of all, you've moved. You've moved to Old Town Bluffton. Where, if the viewers, let everyone know where you are.
Yeah, we've played musical offices, it seems, and now we're in the promenade right in Old Town across from Tierra. So it's a really great welcoming location. We are super blessed and happy to be there.
And you said business is good. So what is your business? For the viewers that might not know exactly the services you provide, what are they?
Yeah, so at Revive Wellness, we specialize in hormone replacement therapy, which, sometimes is a little bit of a broad term, but we really treat patients of all ages. I have patients early as their, early 20s dealing with different type of hormonal issues like PCOS, upwards of 80. So really anyone that's having hormonal imbalances, and we looked for the root cause. So integrated medicine is a blend of, Eastern and Western, where we're really trying to get to the root of the problem and fix that. And then we also have the aesthetic side where we do all the fun stuff like Botox filler and weight loss. So yeah, we do a little bit of everything.
Very good. Now, today we're talking specifically about perimenopause.
Yes,
So, at what age? This is the pre-menopause, and it's not,
correct.
I think your message today is it's not too early to start paying attention to that and treating that. And so, what is perimenopause, and at what age does a woman maybe enter that phase of their life?
Yeah, and those are great questions, and it's super broad, right? And it's very different for everyone. So I think we always think of menopause and we wait until things get really bad. Menopause, the definition of menopause is the absence of a menstrual cycle for a full year. That can be influenced by particular things like birth control, a hysterectomy, a uterine ablation from heavy cycles. So sometimes women start having symptoms way before and they don't really know. So what perimenopause is the 10 years leading up to menopause. And uh, I guess years ago, the average age of menopause was about
50?
51.
Yeah,
I see that
right.
about 48 or so. So you're
Yes,
thinking 10 years prior to that, a
right.
lot of these women are having symptoms in their mid to early 30s. And it's influenced by a lot of environmental factors too. So I really see it more early to mid 30s, women
Oh, wow.
start to be impacted.
And so, Erin, are the symptoms hot flashes, maybe fatigue, maybe irregular menstrual cycles?
Yes, so they're really going to vary in their severity like, per patient. So one of the biggest things you'll start to see is that
Mm,
irregularity in menstrual cycles, whether they're
right.
very heavy or they're really short and close together or very spaced out, skipping cycles. It's going
Mm-hmm.
to be different for everyone. One of the two first symptoms I see is broken sleep pattern. So
Oh,
I'm not
right.
sleeping through the night, and
Yes.
then I'm tired all the time, and
Yes.
I have a really low libido. Those are the
Yes.
big ones I see. And then we see I'm gaining weight in my abdomen. All the things I used to
Mm-hmm.
do are no longer
Right.
working, and
Right.
it's very disheartening, very frustrating for women.
All right. So we've got about a minute left, Erin. So what can we do about it? What should we? Are there any treatments for early menopause?
Yeah, and it's really going to vary. My best advice is number one, get tested. And that is simple, inexpensive blood work that can be run through your insurance company. And that's going to give me a lot of answers. I can find a lot of information out of blood work. So from there, what I do per patient is depending on their age and their symptoms, we try to figure out if there's some underlying causes of these irregularities like thyroid dysfunction, stress,
Mm-hmm.
nutritional deficiencies, and we try to do fix those things first, and if that's not enough, then we move to things like hormone replacement therapy.
Okay. And so would a woman actually be a candidate for hormone replacement therapy before menopause?
Absolutely, yes. I treat so many women. Me myself, I went into early perimenopause at age 35. I'm on hormones. I've been on them for 3 years. So women of all ages can do hormones, and it can be very safe. And it doesn't have to be just waiting until you're absolutely miserable and in full blown menopause to do
Very,
so.
very good. Excellent discussion today, and I'll see you again on Talk of the Town. Erin Gagne with Revive Wellness.
Thank you.
Thank you, hon. Bye-bye.